Lawyers who suddenly quit the profession. What moment made you walk away? The courtroom buzzed with tension as I stood beside my client, a teenager accused of theft. His public defender had backed out last minute, and I'd been assigned the case just hours before trial. As I reviewed the evidence, one thing became clear. This kid didn't do it. I stood up, ready to fight for him, but the judge barely glanced our way. The prosecution had a witness statement and a grainy video. That was enough. No matter what I argued, no one seemed to care about the details. I watched the boy's face fall as the verdict was read, guilty. Later, outside the courthouse, his mother sobbed. You were his last hope. I couldn't speak. I had done everything I could within the rules, but the system had decided his fate before I even entered the room. That night, I sat in my office staring at my law degree. I thought about all the compromises, all the times I was told, that's just how it works. I didn't become a lawyer to play a rigged game. I wanted justice, not just verdicts. The next morning, I handed in my resignation. No grand speech, no drama, just a quiet walk away from a system I no longer believed in. Now I teach debate at a high school. It's not glamorous, but when I see my students learn to argue with truth and clarity, I remember why I loved the law in the first place.